Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to this channel. If you're new around here, then welcome. So 2 months ago, I did a review on this app called Luno. It is a regulated broker app in Malaysia that allows you to trade, buy, sell, send and receive cryptocurrency on this particular app. So if you haven't already, check out that video, just click it up in the top right so you guys can get a full picture of what I'm talking about in this video. Let's not waste any more time and jump right into the answers that you guys are here for. So recently I've been getting quite an amount of comments saying that they're unable to withdraw their money from Luno back to their banks. So I just can't help but to wonder whether if this was true because Luno is a regulated app in Malaysia. So I just had to do it myself. So on the 27th of February on a Saturday, I actually withdrew a small amount from my Luno account to my bank account. It's around 10 ringgit, or you guys can count it as 0.00004959 amount of Bitcoin. That is a lot of decimals, but let's just move on. Nothing too significant here because I just wanted to validate whether these claims are true or false. And then I would just proceed to update you guys, which is in this video. And guess what? And right off the bat, I received my money on the 1st of March, or you guys can count it as 3 days later. It reflected into my bank account, as you guys can see it on my screen. But then there is actually a transaction fees charged towards this whole transaction. I only received 9 ringgit and 90 cents. So 10 cents of 10 ringgit is actually 1% of the total transaction. If I were to be honest, it's quite pricey at this point. But in my previous video, I actually have mentioned that I would always choose a regulated platform over an unregulated platform because I'm in it for the long run and I wouldn't be withdrawing my money so often. But in this case, I had to prove it to myself and to you guys who are watching this video as well. And obviously, there are a lot of people who are skeptical about certain brokers. So, this video could be the answer for you. Finally, if you think that I didn't waste your time and provided the valuable information that you needed in such a short amount of time, all that I'm asking for in return is the subscribe button. It's red, it's attractive, smash that shit, and I will see you guys in the next video.